Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. आज के इस वीडियो में I'll be sharing with you guys some beautiful going out tops जो आप पहन सकते हो if you're going out for a date, for just shopping with your friends, with your boyfriend, with your partner, with anything. ठीक है lunch date कहीं भी जा रहे हो, dinner के लिए जा रहे हो, you just want to wear something that's pretty, that looks gorgeous and does not need a lot of styling, then I have the perfect tops that you can wear and look so nice and stay so comfortable. So yes, without much blabbering, chalo, let's quickly get started with today's video. In total, let's see how many I have ordered. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and including the one that I'm wearing, 7 से 8 टॉप्स मैंने मंगवाए हैं. Let's start one by one and जितना जल्दी हो सकता है, otherwise this is going to be such a long video. So the very first top जो मैंने ऑर्डर करा is this very beautiful slit tube top that it is for just 390 rupees and ये आपको 3 शेड में मिल जाएंगे. That is green, red as well as light pink, and obviously I went for the green one. I really wanted to go ahead and test out this green to see if it matches my skin tone, and I don't know कि ये होने वाला है कि नहीं, but this is what it looks like and मैं आपको इसका पिक्चर दिखाती हूँ. So this is what the top looks like. Very simple, ठीक है, बहुत ही simple basic एक tube top है and I've seen a lot of people wearing it and I went ahead and asked कि आप लोगों ने कहाँ से लिया, so that's when they said कि सवाल ऐसे ही इन्होंने लिया. So I went ahead and searched it online and मुझे मिल ही गया and this is what I have. It just looks so nice. Oh my god, I thought कि ये बहुत ही basic सा एक tube top होगा, but it's not. The color, the fabric has that very shimmery fabric है, हल्का सा shimmery fabric है and hem की तरफ आप देख पा रहे हो frill या फिर एक lattice detailing दिया गया. It's not just straight up a line, but हल्का सा डिटेलिंग दिया गया है जो कि बहुत ही ज्यादा प्यारा लगता है. It has this very beautiful drape detailing around the front that just looks so nice. So I'm really excited to go ahead and wear this and look so nice. I'll probably go ahead and wear this with my jeans and my sneaker and this will just look so nice. So yeah, this is what the first item looked like and it looks so good. Also, before I proceed with all the other tops, let me just tell you that आप अगर मेरा कूपन कोड को लगाओगे तो आपको और भी ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट्स मिल जाएगा. So do not go ahead and forget to use my code in order to get additional and extra discounts and offers. आपको at least 10 से 20% तक का off मिल जा सकता है. So do not go ahead and miss out the opportunity to go ahead and get additional off on your orders. So the next item that I see is this again, a very beautiful green color का halter neck top that I thought is so beautiful, especially वो 90s के ज़माने का style का एक top है. And the moment I saw this, I had to place my order. So this is the patchwork halter neck top. It is for 790 rupees and this is what it looks like. I just fell in love with it. I think a lot of you guys have seen this kind of tops in the 90s, people wearing this, especially Priyanka Chopra and all, तो ऐसे बहुत सारे designs के tops पहनते थे. So the moment I spotted this, I was like, ये तो मैं लेकर ही रहूँगी. So this is what the beautiful top looks like. इस तरीके से आपको इसका bust की तरफ मिलता है and then you get this very beautiful net detailing right here that just looks so nice. एक asymmetrical hem है जो कि बहुत ही प्यारा लगता है and then you get the halter tie up detailing right here that just looks so nice. I just love it. It just makes my neck look so broad, my shoulder look so broad, and I just love how beautifully it just enhances my shoulder and my neck, and I just love it. I look so feminine, so girly. The next top is something that again a lot of you guys can easily go and wear this. Again, if you are someone who does not show their skin a lot, I got your back. So this is the very beautiful baby easy smoke top. I've seen 2 of the creators in my circle wearing this and I was like, कहाँ से लिया तुम लोगों ने? So this is where they got it from. It's this very beautiful top. So this is what I had ordered. I ordered this in the color red because I am trying to incorporate a lot of colors into my wardrobe. Otherwise, all my wardrobe, inside my wardrobe is just black, white, gray, cream, beige. That's it, ठीक है? This is polyester, ठीक है? So this is what the top looks like. It's a normal top. यहाँ से आपको tie detailing मिल जाएगा. Just go and and tie a ribbon and look so nice. And then आपको यहाँ से ना वेज की तरफ से आपको इस तरीके का एक smoky detailing मिल जाएगा like this. It will just cinch your waist and your tummy. And then after that यहाँ से आपको एक ruffle frill detailing मिल जाएगा जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारा है. जब मैं पहनूंगी तब आपको ज़्यादा अच्छे तरीके से समझ में आएगा as to how it is going to look like, you know, when you go ahead and wear this. Okay, we are left with 2 more items and I had to order cream and, you know, white color ka top because I just can't do without them. I just love the colors cream, beige and white. And the next top is something that you're gonna love so much. So this is this very beautiful lettuce trim top. It was so 890 rupees and आपको extra small से extra large तक का sizes मिल जाएगा. And this is what I have. I've seen a lot of, you know, reviews and that's why मैंने जाकर, you know, order ही कर लिया. And this is what it looks like. काफी अच्छे and positive reviews थे. So I went there and got this and oh boy, it just looks so nice and so pretty. Already कितना ज़्यादा प्यारा लग रहा है आप देखो. Oh my god. Let me check out the size. I ordered this in the size extra small क्योंकि वहाँ लिखा था कि हल्का सा ये stretchy material का है. So this is what it looks like. Beautiful beige रंग का top looks like. It's so florally. The whole pattern looks so nice and ये cotton का है plus it has net. ठीक है, ऊपर की तरफ आपको net मिल जाएगा and अंदर की तरफ आपको हल्का सा cotton मिल जाएगा. So this is not polyester. You're gonna stay absolutely comfortable. So this is what the top looks like. Very pretty. As you can see, the sleeve looks like this and then you get the top, the, you know, front of the top right here. And आप देख पा रहे हो पूरे top पे एक pattern, एक floral detailing दिया गया है जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा pretty है. So I just can't wait to go ahead and wear this. And the last item जो मैंने order करा is this very beautiful again lettuce trim top. And this is in just, you know, simple white color. And it retails for 1190 rupees and size आपको extra small से medium तक का मिल जाएगा. And this is what it looks like. I think I'll go ahead and return this and I get it in a smaller size that is extra small and तब जाके ये और भी ज़्यादा अच्छी तरीके से fit होगा. But let's go ahead and share with you guys how it looks like. So this is what the beautiful top looks like. So this is what the top looks like. The front looks absolutely gorgeous. The sleeve is like this. ठीक है, इस तरीके का आपको एक sleeveless detailing मिल जाएगा. But आप देख पा रहे हो पूरे के पूरे top पे कुछ ना कुछ डिजाइन किया ही गया है जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा beautiful है. And then you get the bottom of the top right here. That just looks so nice. So this is what the overall top looks like. So yeah, that is it for today's video. And I hope you guys like it. मैं सारे चीज़ें description box में डाल दूँगी. आप लोग ज़रूर check कर लेना. And also do not forget to use my coupon code in order to get extra discounts on your order. And I will see you guys very soon. तब तक के लिए take care and bye bye.